Ever wondered what the top paying jobs for computer coders are? Well, ponder no more. Today, we're diving headfirst into the lucrative world of coding, counting down from the fifth highest paying job to the absolute pinnacle. Coming in at number 5, we have the role of software engineer. A software engineer designs, develops, and tests software systems. They're the architects behind your favorite apps, websites, and software programs. The average salary for a software engineer hovers around a cool $105,000 per year. Sliding into the 4th spot, we find systems software managers. They oversee the development and upgrades of a company's systems software. This includes operating systems, network distribution software, and more. Their role is crucial in ensuring the smooth operation of a company's tech infrastructure. The average annual salary for a systems software manager is about $117,000. Now on to number 3. Say hello to the information systems managers. These tech-savvy individuals are responsible for all computer-related activities within an organization. They determine the IT goals of a company and are instrumental in implementing computer systems to meet those goals. The average information systems manager can expect to earn around $142,000 each year. Just missing the top spot at number 2, we have the software development managers. These individuals lead teams to design, develop, and maintain software systems. They're the bridge between the coding team and the company's leadership, ensuring that the software developed aligns with the company's objectives. A software development manager can earn an average of $152,000 annually. Now drumroll please, the moment you've all been waiting for. The highest paying job for computer coders is the Chief Technology Officer, or CTO. This executive level role involves making vital company decisions, setting technical goals, and leading all aspects of a company's technology development. The CTO is the tech guru, the head honcho, the grand poobah of the IT world. The average salary for a CTO? A whopping $161,000 per year. So, there you have it, the top 5 highest paying jobs for computer coders. From software engineers to chief technology officers, these roles offer rewarding challenges and attractive compensation. The world of coding is vast and varied, and these roles represent just a fraction of the opportunities available. Whether you're just starting your coding journey or you're a seasoned pro, remember, the sky's the limit. So keep coding, keep creating, and who knows, maybe one day you'll find yourself in one of these top paying roles. And before we wrap up this video, we'd like to remind you to hit that like button if you found this information useful. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more content like this, and hit the notification bell so you won't miss our future videos. If you're eager to start or advance your coding journey, check out the link in the description. It's never too late to start, and who knows, you might just land one of these top-paying coding jobs in the future. As always, thank you for watching and keep coding.